Good morning, class. Today we are going to understand one more question of BEP. With this, we will wind off the topic BEP. I will be sharing few problems with you. You have to solve those problems. Okay, children? Now let's try to understand BEP one more time. This is a very simple question, where I have given three products. We are doing BEP where we are going to calculate the weighted average. That is when there are multiple products dealt with. The question always simply gives you sales price, variable cost, sales mix percentage, and total fixed cost. I once again repeat, what is sales price? I don't have to tell the selling price or MRP of the product. Then cost, this is something that is always fluctuating or variable, that is called variable cost. Sales mix percentage, out of the total sales that happens in the business, 30% is expected to be because of A product. Out of the total sales that happens in the business, 30% is expected to be because of B product, and 40% is because of the C product. In the exam, if you get a question where 30, 30, 40, that is 60, 40 is 100. If it is not coming to 100%, please attempt that question because the question is wrong. Now the total fixed cost is also given. Total fixed cost does not vary. Whether you manufacture 30, 45, 60, 20, 40, whatever is that manufacturing that you do, fixed cost is going to invariably not change at all. It won't change. Right? So till your clarity is there. Now we will see how to do the solution. The solution is very simple, children. First step 1, like you did in grade 11, calculate sales minus variable cost. Sales is given, variable price is given, sales minus variable cost you calculate. So you get something called gross margin. Then afterwards go to step 2. Multiply the contribution with the sales mix. Why? Because in this sums you have this. It's not a single product. If it is a single product, this step is eliminated because 100% this only one product you are manufacturing, so only one can be sold. But since you have multiple products and the sales mix percentage is given, you have to multiply with that. Also remember, children, this sales mix percentage is also an assumption that throughout the year this percentage is not gonna change. That they are assuming that the whole year whatever sales that they are making, A can contribute only 30%, B product can contribute only 30%, and C can contribute only 40%. They are assuming it that way. The reality may be a little different. Right. Now multiply the contribution with the sales mix. This minus this you have done, you get one answer. That answer should be multiplied with sales mix percentage. If you multiply, what you will get? You will get weighted contribution. This is only contribution. You get the weighted contribution of all the three. Why? Because see, children, total fixed cost is total for all the three products. How will you find BEP? How can you understand whether this 50,000 is for A, 50,000 is for B, or 50,000 is for C? For all the three put together, only 50,000 is given, na children. So very remember, you have to mix up all the. So that is the reason I am doing weighted average. Now step 4. Total fixed cost. What you will do? Total fixed cost by weighted average. Total fixed cost is already given. Now when you subtracted this and multiplied with this, you arrived at a weighted average. You have to add up all the weighted average. Now to do arrive at BEP in rupees and in units. So first thing that you will arrive usually is to arrive at the BEP in rupees is the step 6. Right, then you will arrive step 7 at BEP of rupees. Now let's try to solve this problem. Right, in the question they have given you sales, variable cost, and then you subtracted 30 minus 15, 45 minus 30, 60 minus 20. What you have done here is subtraction. When you subtract, you get this. What is step 2? Step 2 is I have to multiply the sales mix percentage. So when I multiply 15% into 15 into 30%, 15 into 30%, 40 into 40%. I arrive at 4.5, 4.5 and 16. Now all the three have to be merged because I have only one fixed expense. So add all the contribution is step 3. 4.5, 4.5 plus 16 is 25. Now I go to this is referred to as the weighted average contribution. Very important. Till here you have arrived. Perfect. What you have done? Sales minus variable cost, then multiplied it and added everything. Now what is the formula of BEP? Usually the sum will end here. What is the formula of BEP? Total fixed cost by weighted average CM. That is you arrive at 2000. But this 2000, in this 2000, 30% belongs to A. Only 30% A contribution, that BEP. B is 30. We are assuming not like that way in the textbook, in the question they have given. So I will arrive at BEP in units as 600, 600, 600. Out of this 2000, 30%, 30% has to be A product, 30% has to be B product, and 40% has to be C product. So I have arrived at the BEP. 600, 600 and 800. I have just multiplied. Then this will give me BEP in units. When I go to BEP in rupees, rupees का क्या है? See children, in the question only, logic, mathematical logic. In this question, rupees is the first one, na? When I say sales price, I am telling rupees only, na? Yes or no? So in rupees, I am trying to say that 600 into 30, 600 into 45, 800 into 60. What is this 600? I arrived at the previous stage, na? That answer. So 600 units of A is manufactured. Only if I manufacture in units, na? Manufacturing means. If I manufacture 600 units of A, then only I will be able to attain BEP. I have to do 600 units of B. I have to do 800 units of C. Then only I will arrive at this 2000. But in rupees when I want, I will multiply with the sales price. And this is your BEP in rupees. You can add this up also to give a single figure. Because BEP in rupees, you can add this. Right? Understood? Follow the simple steps, children. The question itself has got the answer. First this minus this, you get contribution. Contribution into this 30%. One answer is arrived. 50,000 divided by that answer will give you BEP. Whatever you are arriving at, multiply again with the percentage and arrive at multiply with the sales price so that you are able to arrive the BEP in rupees. Remember, fixed variable cost is only used once for subtraction purposes and fixed cost is used only once for division purposes. So the major chunk of thing is happening with sales price and the sales mix percentage. Clear children? Understood? Thank you and have a very good, very good day. And now I want to tell you that tomorrow we will not do BEP. We will be moving to the next topic. Right? Thank you, Dada Sham.